namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, I'm taking like Dr. Joe Sherman. Yeah, it will reveal all the details, which is crazy. That video, guys, it's crazy. Yeah, so because of course, at 16th August, I'm going to scroll account here, Benjamin and the president. Don't find scroll. Don't find go. If you want a post, link if you post as you can see, so if you want to figure it out, congratulations, Dokotela. This is if come social life. There's a car behind Dr. Joe Sherman. Oh, you guys, I don't know. I don't guys, and search and show this car. Kuta X5. So normally I think each land can Google less tomorrow. We are each land can Google less because everything should go online. So don't find Zuma land, Zuma number plate is before Nakutaka bag. If you come to look Aika Gezin, Kuala, then I will check a bag and show the show of Aika Gezin. Master T, I think should go online, man, Master T. I think we can find the car online. My one Magal, then we need Google. As you can see, Zamakonongsa I-Car online ku nikota kuma image yela another Dr. Joe Sherman ayiriko na mayikona makalio ndokusen kan scroll phone kuma go ha mara ndawlo yela another Dr. Joe Sherman ayiriko, which means it's basically the same compound. Nivini ba visit ka this image as you can see kwalano niyaka Instagram ndesho ngavya la shona as you can see fika ngena ku Instagram as you can see na yale I-Car masho is the same compound. So if you scroll down so shona kuna various cars kufana noyendo usungula we can see it's exactly the same place ngabe kana Dr. Joe Sherman of course kwala khele mashono with the background tafana we can see with the background tafana of course nala Dr. Joe Sherman ayiriko and then boom we are done. Let's search for the car. And then scroll near answer scroll near on zonke into ka car kuba kuma that same car lo fan click and fan show no go ile BMW Dr. Joe Sherman as you can see kwalano leyi nga yi xava tani sweswi mi swi vona kwalaho. So I was like hi kumbe ni nyana ndhawu leyi yi nga na that thing nyana hi khe hi search kona loko it's fine hi yeleni ka auto trader hi landa the same car ka the same company of course. As you can see, if you can search the company online, if you can search I-Car Gazette, of course, look auto trader, so I'll go walk on the park, or if you can go search la, Melanda Mova Dr. Joe Sherman, if you can buy BMW, or the now stock is an X5, Landa X5. As you can see, a passage, a back filter, as you can see. So if I scroll up here, that BMW, la ansela. Yeah, I'm like two on one. I'm like Bursa much for $1 million, look $1 million. Yo, one angle. I only. Dr. Joe Sherman, link answers. You can see an image that I as you can see. Move Dr. Joe Sherman. It's a BMW X5. Lee cost 448,000. Guys, this guy is very expensive. Very expensive. I move one. I Yolanda move one. It's second hand, but it's a very expensive car. Natala Shunen, as you can see, it's a 2015 model. Mileage, much yeah, 119,000. Yeah, it's still a fresh car, as you can see. So, you been Dr. Joe Sherman? Oh, come back. As you can see, you been Dr. Joe Sherman? Congratulations to him. Yeah. It's a very nice car. German. So in sponsor Dr. Joe Sherman shasho not the malmoon ko nto anga she reveal but Dr. Joe Sherman ile malini mfocus yivela na ben mayenga na ile malini yile te malmuni mashoko mo valo doranjani guys swivula swo tala ku mali ile ku ndlwini. It's a very nice car as you can see. It's fresh, it's good. I mean like ayi bini mkhulu mkhulu Dokotela mbini mibini hayi swo one yeah mhaka kahle swinene yeah ndhawu ku race na Dr. Joe Sherman yi ta mi siya ndleleni because this car is not slow. It's not a slow car at all because 0 to 100 is 6.8 seconds. 6.8 seconds yi phikizana not the Golf GTI Golf Polo GTI number 7 yeah yeah, you might record this X5. As you can see, engine is 6 cylinder, 6. as you can see. Hayi hi leswi mkhulu hayi ha khensisa ha vuyisa BMW mi ta yi lomba siku rin'wana na hina hi ta yi kandziya nyana hi yi twa. It's not a slow car guys, it's a very very fast car and ki German hi leswo.
Ni cancer chumu mwana imali ya mina na itirela ni shabile